Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best digital microscope is probably one of the most fascinating tools you can have, opening up a whole new world of tiny wonders. Today, we're diving deep into the features and capabilities of this incredible device. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or just curious about the microscopic world, this review will help you decide if this digital microscope is the right fit for you. Number 5. Jiusion 40-1000X USB Digital Microscope. This Jiusion digital microscope is perfect for students, engineers, and anyone curious about the unseen world. It allows you to magnify and explore tiny details with ease. It works with Mac, Windows, Android, and Linux systems. However, please note that it is not compatible with iPhones or iPads. For Android users, an OTG function is required. You can check if your phone supports OTG by downloading the USB OTG Checker app. The microscope features 8 built-in LED lights to illuminate your subjects. The focus and brightness can be easily adjusted using the 2 knobs. Connect it to your device to record videos, capture screenshots, and explore the micro world. The Windows software even includes a measurement function. What we like. This microscope is perfect for those who need a portable solution. It's OTG compatible, meaning you can connect it to your Android phone. If you're a student or hobbyist who enjoys exploring the micro world on the go, this is a great choice. What people say. From the magnification steps, focus, depth of field and locating tip to the rotation indentations, this is a very capable device. I was very impressed with its magnification and image ability. It is far better than I expected. The general instructions are very informative and complete, but I had problems with the software on the disk. They were installable from the online version. Number 4. Elikliv EDM4 1000X Digital Microscope. This microscope features a 4.3-inch 720p HD screen, displaying clear images and videos. The large screen enhances ergonomics and reduces eye strain. The device allows you to zoom in and see incredible details. The actual magnification depends on the screen size and the distance between the camera and the object. You can connect this electronic microscope to your Windows or MacBook. This allows you to view images on a larger scale and share them with others. You can also save and organize your images or videos. This handheld microscope has 8 adjustable LED lights. These lights provide optimal illumination, ensuring clear observations even in low-light conditions. This improves the image quality. It's suitable for various applications, including circuit board inspection and coin examination. It's also great for kids' STEM education and QC inspection. It makes a great gift. The stand allows you to adjust the distance between the camera and the object. This provides flexibility and comfort, helping you find the perfect viewing angle for clearer images. The microscope has a built-in rechargeable battery that offers up to 3 hours of continuous use. This makes it portable and perfect for both indoor and outdoor exploration. What we like. This microscope features a large 4.3-inch display, making it easy on the eyes. It also connects to your computer for a larger view. If you are looking for a microscope with a built-in screen and the ability to share your findings, you should consider this one. What people say. It's very versatile since it can be removed from the base to magnify anything anywhere. Has controllable brightness dial on the side that works well and a clear camera. Clear focused images, but the memory max is 32 GB, so large videos are not its thing. Number 3. Aopick 4.3 Digital Microscope 1000X for coins. This microscope features a 4.3-inch LCD screen, providing a clear and lag-free view. It delivers real-time visuals, making it easy to observe and record your findings. This design reduces eye strain during extended use. With magnification ranging from 50x to 1000x, this device allows you to examine even the finest details. You can uncover hidden features and appreciate the intricacies of your subject. The actual magnification may vary slightly depending on the setup. Unlike many others, this microscope supports both Windows and Mac OS. It offers seamless use across different devices. It also allows you to capture photos and videos, with storage available. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, this microscope ensures clear visibility. You can easily adjust the brightness to suit your subject. This feature guarantees optimal lighting for every observation. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this microscope offers up to 3 hours of continuous use. A full charge takes only 2 hours, making it ideal for on-the-go inspections. It is a portable solution for various applications. This tool is perfect for circuit board inspection, coin appraisal, and watch repair. It's also suitable for skin analysis, textile checks, and more. It is a versatile tool for both professionals and hobbyists. What we like. This coin microscope boasts a 1080p 4.3 LCD display for clear visuals. It's also compatible with Mac OS, which is a key differentiator. If you are a Mac user looking for a versatile tool for coin or stamp collecting, this is a great choice. What people say. The microscope has a great picture quality. The digital microscope is easy to set up and use. The microscope comes with a good stand. Number 2. AmScope B120 LED Binocular Microscope with 5MP camera. Introducing the AmScope B120 series microscope, a great choice for students and professionals. This binocular compound microscope offers high quality at an economical price. With magnification ranging from 40x to 2500x, it's perfect for educational settings, labs, and clinics. This microscope allows you to see details you never knew existed. The microscope features LED lighting with a fly-eye lens. This provides bright, daylight-balanced illumination for clear viewing. It makes the images much easier to see. It also includes a 5MP USB microscope camera and professional software. This allows you to capture and analyze images with ease. You can save and share your findings. AmScope offers a leading collection of microscopes, cameras, and accessories. We are dedicated to providing quality products for all your microscopy needs. What we like. This microscope is an excellent choice for educational purposes. It offers a wide range of magnification and includes a 5MP USB camera for capturing images. If you need a reliable microscope for students or professional use, this is a great option. What people say. It is very solid, the optics are clear and bright, and it worked 100% out of the box. The light is very bright and can be dimmed with the dial on the side. The controls are very precise and work great. All mechanical aspects of the scope work smoothly and correctly. The light is sufficient for backlighting object or slices of object. The optics are clear and not blurred. Number 1. TOMLOV DM9 Max 20MP Digital Microscope. This digital microscope features a 10.1-inch IPS screen, providing exceptional clarity. You'll enjoy vibrant colors and a wide viewing angle, making every detail pop. Explore the microscopic world with a zoom range from 5x to 1500x. It's perfect for examining coins, soldering, or observing plants, allowing you to uncover incredible details. Connect this microscope to a computer, TV, or projector using the HDMI or USB-C output. This is ideal for presentations, remote learning, and sharing your discoveries with others. Easily capture images and videos with the one-button recording function. The included 64GB SD card provides plenty of storage space for sharing your findings. It's perfect for enthusiasts and hobbyists. Equipped with a noise reduction chip and an ultra-sensitive microphone, this microscope captures clear audio in video mode. It's ideal for recording lectures or observing intricate details. The microscope features a 12.6-inch stand and a 7x8 base, providing ample workspace. This design makes it ideal for coin collectors and soldering tasks, ensuring a stable and comfortable experience. This microscope includes a wireless remote for adjusting magnification and capturing photos and videos. The remote minimizes screen shaking, ensuring precise observation and ease of use. What we like. This microscope features a large 10.1 HD IPS display for an immersive viewing experience. It also offers HDMI and USB output for connecting to larger screens. If you want a microscope with a large display and versatile connectivity options, you should consider it. What people say. The microscope has a great picture quality. The microscope is easy to set up and use. The digital microscope has a good magnification range. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.